Okay, a quick thank you, to everyone out there in YouTube land. We hit 5,000 subs. I'm incredibly grateful. I wanted to get on here and just show you my gratitude, my overwhelming gratitude from the bottom of my heart. Thank you. Really, I do mean it. Look, we started off, I don't know, year and a half ago, maybe 20, 30 people watching, like 3 or 4 people in the comments. I mean, we were just basically a blip, a nothing, so we have grown like crazy over the past year. So thank you. Also, today's my birthday, and I saw a UFO, freaking UFO on my birthday. How crazy is that? Are they trying to tell me something? Am I getting too close to the truth? I don't know. Okay, I'm going out to eat with my family, and I can't make this crap up, guys. Okay, I'm going to eat with my family. I drive past NASA, make the U-turn at NASA in El Camino, headed towards Kima to go to the Kima boardwalk, and I see a triangle like the Phoenix freaking lights, a triangle in the sky. I'll show you a video. Look, in fact, I'll show you right here. What the hell is that over there? That is a perfect triangle. Maybe I can pull in right here and we can look at it. What are we looking at here? And why was it a perfect triangle? And we're back, okay? Again, I saw a freaking triangle, and I'm thinking to myself, like, immediately I kind of go into this, like, UFO-minded thing, this, like, okay, what do I always tell people to do? Like, keep the camera focused. I mean, record it in your memory, record it on the phone, get as much video as you can. I have about maybe 10, I need water. 10 or 15 minutes of video. Okay, I'm excited, guys. Again, it's my birthday. I saw a UFO. We hit 5,000 subs. Things are looking up around here at old Nocturnal News. So, but yeah, I got about 10, 15 minutes of video. I'm going to make an entire video out of it. At first I thought it was like a little planet, right? Okay, I thought, okay, maybe it's like Mars, and then could be a helicopter, a drone, or whatever. But again, I was hyper focused. I'm recording, and amazed by what I saw. I saw, I think back in 2012 was the only other time that I saw a UFO, and I think if you guys follow my channel, I think that UFO in 2012 was related to the alien visitation I had when I was younger. Okay, I was visited by, this like angelic being hovering over my bed, when I was about 12 years old, maybe 9, 10, 11, 12, I don't quite remember. I reached out and touched the alien being. I got OCD, right? I mean, I know it sounds crazy. I'm talking too fast here, but I'm trying to make it quick. I don't want to bore you guys. So, yes, I had a visitation from an alien when I was younger, okay? And then the UFO sighting in 2012, I think it was connected. And then tonight, I see a triangle in the freaking sky. Like, what is going on here, right? So anyway, I'm very excited. Like I said, we hit 5,000 subs. By the way, big shout out to Tyler, Secure Team 10. Thank you for, all the support. Okay, and my birthday, the big 45. Yes, I am 45 years young today. I think I probably look like I'm about maybe 35. It depends on the lighting, but whatever. We're gonna go with 35. It'll make me feel better. So, but yeah, guys. Anyway, I just want to tell you thank you, and I'm excited. A lot of great things happening. Thank you for all your support. A lot of you guys have been around a long time. A lot of people are new, to Nocturnal News. So, I just wanted to. Again, kind of just, show you my gratitude and tell you guys thank you. So have a beautiful night. By the way, we're going to start going live probably every week. I'm thinking like every week now. So again, we got a lot of things coming. I don't want to spoil it. Other platforms, we're working on we're going to collab with other channels, like possibly Secure Team 10, I think, if we can ever, if our schedules can ever connect. So just a big shout out to the UFO community out there, all the people that support, our channel. It is our channel. So, thank you for that. And you guys just thank you and have a great night.